The Eiffel Tower, located on Avenue Gustave Eiffel in Paris, France, stands at 1,083 feet, 330 meters, making it the tallest structure in Paris. Completed in 1889, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world until 1930. Designed by Gustave Eiffel and his company, it was initially built as the entrance arch for the 1889 World's Fair, celebrating the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. Constructed from wrought iron with 18,038 parts and 2.5 million rivets, the tower is a marvel of engineering. Originally owned by the city of Paris, it is now operated by SET. The Eiffel Tower attracts over 7 million visitors annually and serves as a broadcast tower for radio and television signals. It has become a global symbol of France, representing innovation, culture, and the industrial age, making it one of the most iconic landmarks in the world.